This is Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I'm creating these cute little bumblebees. We also raise bees, so I'm doing not only the butterfly water feeder, but I'm going to do one for the bees to set out there where we have our hives. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using a number 6 low Cornell filbert brush, a number 5 angle brush. It's a fingernail brush by Donna Dewberry, and a Princeton mini detailer brush. It's actually a spotter to create my bumblebees. Just very simple. I've already base coated the rocks with moon yellow, and for the details I'm using Licorice and Wicker White. And I'm also using a dotting tool, the dotting stylus and the clay ball makers. Forgot to add those in. If you want to get real precise, you can use tape. I'm not really real precise, so I am just winging it. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just going to dip my brush into the black, the licorice black, and I am just doing 2 stripes. I'm just going to go across the stone like that and paint the stripe on. Again, I'm not into being a perfectionist here with this project, mainly because it's going to be out back. No one's really going to see it. So if you're creating something where you want it to be real detailed and specific, then use some tape. Tape's a great way to make lines. But mine is not an intention of perfection. The rocks are not perfectly shaped either, so it's fine. And I like the whimsicalness of the rocks being different. And just kind of fun stripes. Now like on this one, I could fill this in, whatever, but I'm going to leave it like that. I like it, it's just fine. The eyeballs, I'm going to go ahead and turn it around this way. You can do whatever direction you want it to go in, but I'm going to just use the little spotter brush and make shapes. Now they can be round, they can be oblong, however you want them to be. Not very, like I said, again, I'm not really into precision. Then I'm going to take the smaller side of this dotting tool and put the eyeballs in. Now you can allow it time to dry, which, that's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and hit this with the heat gun. Alright, and then to do the wings, I am just using the angle brush, dipping it into the Wicker White, and then actually just kind of making wing shapes. And I want them to kind of be hooked together. And then what I'm doing is just trying to make them a little bit where they just kind of come out at the end here and not be like rounded off or cut off, that they're just kind of jagged at the end. You can make them a little rounder if you want, a little bigger. It's up to you. So no 2 are alike. You could even throw some gray in here or silver in here if you wanted to, just to give it some definition and more than just white in your design. And I'm just trying to make it a little bit thicker so it's not so opaque, or not so transparent, I should say, not opaque. Okay, so anyhow, just quick little wings. And this is still kind of wet, so I'm getting paint on me. And then I'm going to just put a dot down here and another dot. And because it's a little wet still, you know, your dots may not be as precise as you'd like them to be. So again, you can hit them with a hair dryer or a heat gun. And I don't have a whole lot of space here for the mouth. I'm just going to do just a little, almost like a C shape at the bottom there. If you want to put a stinger on the back, you can. I'm not going to fuss with that because basically these are going to be going out in the backyard in this tray, and hopefully the bees will enjoy drinking water from it. Alright, I hope you like this quick little video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And at the end of the video, once you're done viewing, hit the share button that you'll find underneath and share this on your social network with all your family and friends. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this once again. Thanks so much for stopping by to view my quick video. Until the next time, stay healthy and safe. Have a good one.